Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how you can turn off or disable Windows Defender in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get started. First, we have to come over the Start button and then come over the Settings options. Click on that and then after that, you will get Update and Security options over here. Click on it. And then you have to come over this Windows security settings in your left side. So click on it. You have to come over this virus and threat protection. Click on it and you will be in Windows security that call threat, virus and threat protections. So here you have to come over these virus and threat protection settings and come over this manage settings. Click on it and then here you will get to options called real-time protection and cloud delivered protections. You need to turn this off, both of these, and after that you have to click close. And this is how you can turn off or disable Windows Defender in your Windows 10. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you another video. Till then, goodbye.